Get back to modified auto today, and these fools put up a frickin' shrine with a candle with my skid marks where I dropped my bike. You guys ain't right. Yeah, good morning everyone. Eric here from Nomadic Fanatic. Hope you guys are doing well. Back here in Illinois. Look, greeted by rain. Lovely. Oh my gosh. Glad to see the folks here at Modified Auto still have a sense of humor. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, so when I got this RV, almost 1 year to the day actually, I drove from here in Tater Tot all the way across the country to Colorado, hooked Tater Tot up to the back of this RV, and then drove it back here to move into this RV while they were working on my Class A, which I don't even have anymore. But anyway, back then, I was going through so much. We were working on solar and everything to get this RV ready. One of the things that I didn't do last year was put a system in this RV like I always do. And so it's been a long time coming, and it's not just for pleasure, although I do I ain't gonna lie, I love having really good tunes. There's also a practical reason for doing this also, which we'll get into here in just a little bit. But up front here in my Class C, this is where our automatic litter box usually is. I've moved it for the time being and did a little bit of vacuuming here so that we can have access to the speakers in there, as well as the deck here. And in this particular model, it's basically a single din here with a little cubby hole there. But talked with the guys here at Modified Auto to see what we can do. And what did we decide, Tara? Well, I'll go inside and show you here pretty soon. Just waiting for a time slot to open so that we can drive the RV right into the shop door right there, and they can work inside here in the rain. Yeah, here in the shop base here, they're working on a semi-truck install. They're putting an underglow kit on this car right here. Look, the Nomadic Fanatic magnet right there. Love it. Somebody from Missouri. Been about 6 months since I've been back here, and I don't think they've missed me much here. But yeah, I'm gonna bring the RV in here later, right here. Get some stuff done. Boy, they got a lot of it. Look at this, they're even doing a golf cart. Put speakers here. They put underglow on this one and a little PA system on it. That's pretty cool. All right, well, let's go see what Sean's doing in here. Yep, Sean Fowler there. Got some donuts here, I'm taking that. Here's the shop here. Oh, look, they got some new speakers. Yeah, kickers. So this is what got me thinking, is this really fat, or really thin, downfiring possible speaker system here. So we can get one of these for Freeda. Yeah, except that one on display was, I think 8s or 10s. This is 2 12s. Well, it's like got 1 12 and then something else in there. Anyway, 1000 watt, I think 500 RMS. Getting this floating 8-inch Sony display with Apple CarPlay so I can have my maps and my music. And amplifier, doing a 6-channel amplifier with new speakers in the doors. Plus it's got to power the subwoofer here, and I think it's going to fit really well in the RV. All right, the fellas were at lunch, and I got the RV in. In fact, there they are right now. So we got Freeda pulled in. We got the kitties out of the RV. There's Nugget, the shop dog. Nugget, yeah, he's been checking out the kitties who are hanging out here in the shop. I couldn't fit my robot litter box in there, so I got a little cardboard litter box in there for Opie and Tara. They're gonna be shop kitties, right, Tara? She's in there. She's hiding. She's not sure about the puppy yet. Oh, there's the puppy. Get the Opie. Get that Opie. Go get him. Go get him, Nugget. Go get him. Alright guys, you remember I had that train horn set on one of my RVs in the past. I've been missing those train horns. Well, found something online on Etsy that incorporates the Ryobi drill with 4 horns on there. And it's pretty loud. Hey man. What's going on? Oh, you know, same old stuff.
Yeah.
Did you see that little video?
I did.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
What do you think of this?
Holy shit.
All right, we got the RV back, Opie. You happy to be back home? Yeah, we're still here in the shop garage. Just wanted to show you. So we got the litter box put back in, and man, guys, this is so slick. I love these thin kickers. They're meant for like going behind the seat of a truck, or maybe even going under the seat, not just behind the seat. But man, I listened to it and it sounds awesome. And look at that monster screen. In fact, let's turn it on. I want to show you some stuff here. All right, so getting stuff set up here. It's doing CarPlay. It's already there. Look how cool this is, y'all. So, like for instance, if I open up Google Maps on here, I say I want to go to the campground, start, turn off the phone. Now over here, Google Maps is incorporated on this huge screen. It also tells us what we're playing, okay? So Morgan Wallen, well, I don't want to get copyright flagged, but it sounds awesome, okay? Especially with the bass. If I don't want to see the title and all that, I think just tap it. Yeah, look at that. Full screen here on the maps. That is gigantic compared to the phone, right? And man, it's just so slick, so nice. It's fully adjustable. On that single din, he popped it up so that it clears the coffee cup there, and so I still have the controls up here for AC and everything, but tell you what, that is slick. Very happy with it. Come on into Modified Auto here in East Alton, Illinois, guys. They'll get you hooked up, no matter what your rig is. Well, I made it back to camp here, but it's now dark. Actually, Sean and Jill and I went to see a movie here, and one of the great things about Edwardsville, Illinois is it's a lot like Disney Springs. We have a Dolby Theater, and if you have not experienced an actual new release in a Dolby Theater, you do not know what an actual movie is like. We went to see John Wick Chapter 4. Oh my gosh, guys, I would see this movie, even though it's over 3 hours long. It was an incredible movie. There's this one incredible cinematic CGI shot where the camera goes bird's eye view above everything and gets these shots from a shotgun that's firing flames and crap, and it goes from room to room. Oh, it's crazy, guys. What a great movie. Hopefully they're going to be putting something else in that Dolby next week, and I'll see another one. But anyway, let's get some sleep, and I'll show you what my camp looks like here in the morning. All right, it is the next day, guys. I forgot to show you the campground again. Oh, well. We'll get to it. I'm out driving. Since I'm in East Alton, I want to go check out my old shop that I leased for a year over here. All right, here it is in front of us. I will just point out already, it still has the old Modified Auto decal on it. That's kind of funny, although there is new owners. So, yeah. So what happened was, Sean and Jill had this shop here for Modified Auto for about 8 years. They rented it, leased it. And then they moved to this awesome new facility over in Eastgate Plaza, or on the other side of the road here. But what had happened when they moved out, with the owner of the building said he wanted to sell it. He had a price on. He says, "I'm done leasing rent, and I'm gonna sell it." And I said, "Well, I'll just, move in and take over and get another lease going for a year in my name and rent it out as storage, and you don't got to do anything. You don't got to worry about selling it. You just keep getting the same exact money you were getting from Modified Auto." At the time, I think it was $675 to rent this building, which was a really good deal compared to other commercial. I mean, for just storage, it sucks. But I had power and heat and air conditioning and my little arcade setup and an indoor spot to work on my RV. So he said, "Actually, yeah, I'll go ahead and lease it to you for a year." After a year, I didn't know it was up. As things changed, he then said that he was going to sell it again after my lease was up, and he has since changed his mind again. He's actually back to leasing it out once again. He's got a company, I think it's a medical storage, like just for extra medical supplies. As you can see, they've got a dumpster here that is unlocked. Boy, I bet they have problems with that. Let's go up here to the front. Okay, that still says Modified Auto has moved. They took off the decals off that door, and my cameras are still up. I wonder if they're using those. So, anyways, I'm gonna go over here and hit this car wash real quick, actually. I mean, we did have a lot of rain on the trip up. It's not actually as bad, but I still want to give her a good wash. She's got bird poop on her. So, yeah, let's give Tater Tot a nice little wash here. Heck yeah, Tater Tot's clean, ready for a lift soon. I brought my Ryobi train horn thingamajig, so maybe we'll go back to modified auto and cause some chaos. Couple lazy, sleepy kitties. Sleepy, sleepy kitties, all cuddly. The Opie dopes. Here's my Terror Bear. Hi, baby. Yeah, you get some sleep. Go ahead, I don't care. I'm gonna go outside. Now, I decided to come back to camp because we've been getting some really high winds here. I'm in Grafton, Pierre Marquette State Park. Hooked into power, but really, really windy. I was worried about a couple things, but everything checks out. I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out, guys. Be heading towards my buddy Robert here soon. If you don't have a buddy Robert, check him out here. He'll be in Kansas City area working on RVs there at King's Mobile RV Repair. Woo, it's windy, really windy. See you guys in a few days.